Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show hide alerts for a text message conversation on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the messaging app, and then when you want to mute or hide or show alerts, what you can do is touch and hold on a text conversation, and then tap on hide alerts from the pop-up, and you can see there is an icon right here. You can also touch and hold into that, and then tap on show alerts again, and that will allow the text conversation to alert you. Now another way to do it is to swipe across like this, and you can tap on the mute button, and that is also how you can mute a text conversation, or you can unmute it. Or if you have already opened up a text conversation, you can tap on the link at the top, and in here you can tap on hide alerts or show alerts. So there are a few different ways how you can do it, and those are your options. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.